Hi, welcome to Language Go, the best way to learn. We are here to learn some vocabulary about nature. Vamos a aprender el día de hoy vocabulario de la naturaleza. We have 10 numbers that we are gonna match. So, let's begin. Picture number 1, snow, nieve. Picture 2, hail, granizo. Picture 3, rainbow, arco iris. Picture 4, rain, lluvia. Picture 5, hurricane, huracán. Picture 6, tornado, tornado. Picture 7, fire, fuego. Picture 8, clouds, nubes. Picture 9, sky, cielo. Picture 10, viento, wind. Go to the next ones. Here they are. Number 1, the moon, la luna. Picture 2, the sun, el sol. Picture 3, eclipse, eclipse. Picture 4, lake, lago. Picture 5, mountain, montaña. Picture 6, beach, playa. Picture 7, forest, el bosque. Picture 8, rainforest, selva. Picture 9, river, río. And picture 10, desert, el desierto. Before we continue, don't forget to give a like to this video if you like it and to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So let's continue with the final words. We have 10 more words. Check them out. They are a little bit more complicated, but not that much. So, picture 1, volcano, volcán. Picture 2, cave, cueva. Picture 3, soil, la tierra. Picture 4, hill, colina. Picture 5, drought, sequía. Picture 6, the sea, el mar. Picture 7, thunder, trueno. Picture 8, island, isla. Picture 9, earthquake, terremoto. 10, picture 10, flood, inundación. And we have finished. But before we finish, listen to this. Antes de que terminemos, recuerda que tenemos clases de inglés en línea para niñas y niños en Language Go. And that was all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget that Language Go is the best way to learn. See you later. Goodbye.